Hi everyone. So I'm going to be teaching you guys a few simple things that you can do in a second world life like I am in. And so I'm going to start by showing you guys how to change the time and the lighting of the day to help you work better in this second life world. So first you're going to go up to world on the top bar, and you're going to click it, and then you're going to go to sun position. And from there you're going to click midday, which is the brightest one if you would like, but there's also sunrise, which looks good too. And then there is also sunset and midnight, which I was just at. So I'm going to click midday because it's the easiest to see and work in your second life world the best with. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to take stuff out of your inventory. So when you do this, when you start, you might not have anything in your inventory except the simple like OpenSim library things. But that's okay because you can collect things from other places. So first I'm going to show you guys how to collect different things from places that you see. So we're going to go right over here. So another good trick to learn, we're going to go right there. Another good trick to learn is going to the map of the world, and then you can go anywhere. So I know I am going to want to go over here. So I'm just going to move it a little, and then I'm going to click right here. So now I'm in the house that I want to copy and bring into my inventory. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to go to more, and then I am going to go to take a copy. And so once you do this, you're going to find it in your inventory. But a good trick to do if you don't know how to find it in your inventory and you have a lot of other stuff in your inventory too, you're going to want to right click on it again if you haven't already, go to edit, and then go to general, and it will have the name. So this is Garden Center Building. So you can either remember that, write it down, type it somewhere, just make sure you know what it's called, or else you won't be able to find it again. So now that I have that, I'm just going to take it away. I'm not going to do anything else. And I am going to go back to where I was with the map. And I'm going to go to where I was right there. You know how to take stuff and bring it into your inventory. I'm going to show you how to take things out of your inventory. So what you first want to do is click this luggage button right here. And then you're going to want to go to inventory, and if you have something looked up, you can just delete it. And then you're going to go to inventory, and as you can see, I have lots of things in my inventory. So I want to look up a waterfall. So now I'm going to take this big waterfall. And it says that I've worn it on my left hand. So I don't see it right now. But sometimes that's due to loading issues. So I'm just going to take that off, and I'm going to go to another waterfall. So now it's worn on my left hand. So now I am going to put this waterfall, and see how it's literally on my left hand. I'm wearing it. So to fix that, you're just going to you're going to do a right hand click on the waterfall or whatever you're taking out of your inventory, and you're going to click drop. And then you're going to click yes, and then it will be dropped. So I'm just going to get out of it and back up. Okay. So this is my waterfall right here. So now you can move it. So now that I'm editing it right now, you can move it up with the blue arrow, up or down with the blue arrow, and you can move it side to side with the red arrow, and you can move it back and forth with the green arrow. So another good trick to do is if you press Alt, if you press Control Alt, so now I'm going to show you guys how to change the colors and textures of surfaces. So to do that, you're going to right click on the object that you want to change the surfaces of, and you're going to go to Edit. And then you're going to go to Select Face, and then you could select any face. I'm going to select this face. So then you're going to go to Texture, and you can pick any texture. So you can pick a color. You can go like this, and then you can do OK, and then you can and then it will change the texture after a little bit. So now I'm going to change the texture, and what I always do is go to Open Sim Library, which is always open to anyone, and you can go to Texture Library. And then there you will find all these different textures. There's clear, there's papaya bark, there's all different things. And I am going to go to water. So water, that's what water is going to look like. And as you can see, I changed all of them. So then you can change it to any color, and you can select any surface and anything. So as you can see, for this waterfall, I changed the surface to a water color, to a grape color, and to a blue color. So it's a little turned upside down, and it's turned all over, and this is the product of how it could turn out if you wanted to change the surfaces or if you wanted to change anything. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my video, and I hope it has helped you guys. And if you want to learn more, you can always just ask for another video, and I will probably be doing one next summer, and you will see me then. So I hope you guys have learned from this video. Bye guys!